Thank you.
How could I help you? Sorry.
Hello. Morning.
Kapalit natin mo.
Karon na lang.
Imong ba na diri maglingkod?
Sorry, I'm in the middle.
Manan dito tapos balik ako nung ano na mo yo. Mas na dito ba mangulit na pud meron tapos karong August balik na ko. Design prepare. Ano balik ko. Ako lang di ay.
Here we go, it's departure time. So, you see the surface is lifting up. That one, it's called, the pilot is doing the flight control track before the departures. This is a normal procedure that you could see all the time. Mostly they do it to check whether the control surfaces are fine or not. And, alright, one of the other thing that you could see here is the slot. Slots are the aerodynamic surfaces located at the wings. You could see it on the back here. Which back? You're gonna ask me, right? So take a look carefully. You see two surfaces that have like separated space a little bit. You can see the line. The one on the back, like there are two of it, two big surfaces. They are called slats. Normally when your planes actually, when your plane climb up, normally they should use a full configurations where the slots are fully leaned out on the position. But here the plan is, they climb without the slots moving out. So I'm surprised here, but it seems like it's working. So no question asked. But I'm still curious about this. Why?
Oh yeah. Yes. Okay. So did you put it? No.
Thank you for waiting, sir. Would you like to have the Mediterranean fish and potato and tomato cocktail, or would you like to have the chicken with noodle?
Like this one.
Chicken with noodle?
The fish, please.
The fish?
Thank you.
Chicken noodles with carrots and celery. Well, it was good, delicious. I loved it, and I finished the meal with coffee and milk. Bye. Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.
You are in boarding group 5. We are currently boarding 1, 2, 3. Wait another moment. You are 5.
Komm einfach hier durch. Erstmal das Land.
Also Sie sagen, schmal.
For the sake of my viewers, I decided to talk in this vlog. Basically, at first I preferred the silence, but seems like I cannot contain my excitement to tell you guys a story. Even though I'm not inspired right now. Taking elevator, just walk to change terminal and stuff, you know. This vlog is rather boring because it takes me a lot of time to walk, to change terminal, you know, etc, etc. Now when you see couples stay together, walk together, how do you feel? Rather than a solo trip, it's quite sad for you to take the travel alone, but the one that who dare to walk the path alone is the one that is the strongest. Mostly the people that are in a relationship doesn't necessarily mean that they are able to stay alone, you know. The more you stay in your relationship, the more dependable you're gonna become, like dependent to your partner. But if you stay by yourself, you're gonna be depending on your own most of the time. But it's also a blessing because you don't, it's a drama free, but everything come with a positive and negative things. It depends on you what you want and how well you can negotiate or compromise with your partner. But within yourself, you need to learn how to do self-love too. Like here, I'm a little bit thirsty, so I went to purchase a bottle of water just right before taking an airplane to Toulouse, south of France. Yeah. It seems like when you travel alone, you start to know yourself more, you start to learn and explore a world in your quiet terms, your quiet style. I mean, you just being yourself, nobody is distracting you, and you can do what the hell ever you want. And that is the freedom. The real freedoms come with a free mind. A free mind it means that you're not longing for anything. You're just free your mind, you just free your thoughts. You're surrender to the flow of time, which is a divine timing, and you keep going.
Wir möchten Sie gerne darüber informieren, dass der Flug ausgebucht ist, um ehrlich zu sein, sogar überbucht. Und ich sehe auch schon einiges an Handgepäck, deswegen sind Sie bitte so nett und verstauen auch Handgepäck in der Economy Class unter Ihrem
Bao chục bao thông à về hát không cho vào muối đa con giới tranh chè biển
trong tất cái của mình tại
ba cái của thon thôi
ai nó phải đấy cái squat này là có thơ system rồi
còn đua dương đặt lập bằng một khối ba
có tư là làm đo không